Dear friends, welcome back to our Food Learning Podcast, where we strive for honest food talk and few opinions. I'm your host, Chef Walter Potenza, and you are at Flavors and Knowledge. Today's episode is about the Passover tradition and the foods. And so let's go into and explore. As you know, Passover is a well-regarded Jewish holiday, also known as Pesach, a holiday commemorating the Israelites' liberation from their captures in Egypt. It is a particular time of the year for families and friends to gather together and retell the Exodus story and celebrate freedom and redemption. One of the most critical aspects of Passover is its traditional foods consumed during the holiday. Matzah, also known as unleavened bread, is a central element of Passover. It represents the bread that Israelites ate as they fled Egypt, when they did not have time to allow the bread to rise. All leavened products are prohibited during this holiday, and so matzah is used as a substitute for bread. It is eaten at every meal during the holiday, and often used instead of bread for sandwiches and other casserole dishes. Another traditional food eaten during Passover is bitter herbs, which tend to symbolize the bitter experience of slavery. These may include horseradish, parsley, romaine leaves dipped in salted water to represent the tears that were shed by the Israelites during their enslavement. Charoset is another traditional Passover food representing the mortar the Israelites used to build structures while they were enslaved people in Egypt. Charoset is typically made with bitter apples, walnuts, cinnamon, sweet wine or grape juice, and always served as a spread or a dip in the form of a chutney. During the Passover Seder, a special meal held on the initial 2 nights of the holiday, several other traditional foods are served. These include gefilte fish, a traditional Jewish dish made from ground fish, and matzah ball soup, a concoction made with matzah meal and exquisite chicken broth. Roasted lamb or brisket may also be served as a main course during the holiday. Passover is also a time for unique desserts, such as macaroons made with coconuts and sweetened condensed milk, or perhaps a sponge cake made without the leavening agents. Many variations of Passover-friendly desserts have been developed recently, using ingredients such as almond flour, chickpea, coconut flour, and of course, matzah cake meal. And so in conclusion, dear listeners, Passover is a time for families and friends to celebrate freedom and redemption. The traditional food eaten during the holiday will help reinforce the significance of the theme. And that is all for Flavors and Knowledge on the Passover Holiday episode. I hope it was to your interest. I will reconnect on the next round with another exciting topic. And so, eat well and stay well. Ciao, ciao.